Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another Luxury Divas box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So as I said, we're opening up another Luxury Divas box. This is going to be for the month of December. If you're not too sure, Luxury Divas box is a monthly subscription. You get a variety of things in the box. It's of course, I have a special coupon code, which I'll put somewhere in the blog or on the comment section below so you guys can check them out. Basically, it's a $35 box, but the coupon code saves you $5. So don't, do anything until you get that coupon code for sure. What they do is they give you a variety of things. So you get clothing, beauty, accessories. So I'm super curious to see what we got. And you can check them out online so you can see what they're about. But if you're not wanting to commit to anything, you can totally just get a one-time box, check it out, and see if you like to subscribe. And like always, with every subscription, the more that your subscription lasts, the longer, the more money that you save. I lost track there. So of course, so let's get in and let's get into the box. So what you do get is you do actually get, while I'm opening this up, you do actually, and I'm hitting my camera, you do actually get to, when you sign up, you do fill out a beauty profile similar to like other subscriptions. So they do curate the box towards things that you like. And if you find yourself receiving something that you're not liking, you could always let them know to add that to your information so that they know you're not totally digging that. Like for me, the thing for me was like florals. I don't like those. So that's kind of something that I stay away from. So every package you do get curated, and it does give you someone who puts your box together. This month, my box was put together for Marina. She said, loving this time of year with all the beauty holiday lights all around. Hopes this December box gets you ready to start off the new year with some fun. Some new goodies. Enjoy your best. Love, Marina. And of course, a candy cane. They always seem to add some sort of candy on that, so I'll definitely add that to the tree. And then you do get a pamphlet with things that you can get separate outside. If you just want to get like one item, you can get that item separate. So these are just things that they do also have on their website if you wanted more information or you just wanted to buy one thing on its own. Okay, one thing that I do love is they always add the total. So you do get a pamphlet, which I'm gonna kind of hide so we can be surprised together, giving you the total of your box. So there you go. It says my box totals $121. So if you're paying $30, because I have a monthly subscription, so if you're paying $30 for the box, that surpasses the total. So it always is covered like this with tissue paper. And then I'm opening it up because I can't contain myself and I'm not like super fancy or whatever. So the very first item we have here are earrings, and I'm just trying to straighten them out so you guys can see. So we have earrings, and these earrings are, where are you? Okay, so these are etched silver plated teardrop earrings, and these traditionally long teardrops design hook earrings are the perfect jewelry addition to enhance any ensemble. The lace-like open etching design is sure to draw compliments, not complaints, but compliments. So this is $20. And then the next item I have here is a hat. And I received a couple months ago, I received something similar to this in black. It was a little different, but I love that hat. It's so super comfy, and this feels super soft, so I'm definitely excited. This is an ivory cable knit slouchy beanie, and this one is $16. It says keep warm in this super slouchy knit beanie cap. This hat is designed to be longer than other hats to create a mega slouched look. Made with the only softest materials, this traditional cable knit hat is sure to please. And I will just say, because last time I did wear my black one, so I will keep the tradition rocking. So that's how that looks like there, just so I'm looking decent during this video. So you see they have their label there, so we will keep that and we will continue with the video. So that is that. Okay, so the next item we have here, no idea what this is because I am not that bougie to no fancy stuff. So this is a tan faux fur cuff wristlet. Okay. Oh, okay. So that's cool. I'm slow. I apologize. So you put this here and you put that there. All right. So now we're super fancy. So that is this, and that's how that looks like there. So you see how that looks, and you just hold this. And this is cool because I live in Texas and it does not get super cold here. So this is like super perfect. I usually wear like a light jacket or a sweater. So I definitely will use that. Let me just take a look. This is $25, and it says we do not believe in harming animals. It's for their fur. So we are proud to offer you a solid fur covered women's bag you do not have to feel guilty about. Bold polished gold medals finished off with this fashionable bag. So that is super cute. All right, so we're super fancy now. And then the next item we have here this is a red, white, green plaid lightweight poncho. And I'm one of those people that I work from home, but I work from home, but I'm always cold. Makes no sense because I can control the temperature, right? But no matter where I go, I'm always cold. So I will definitely get use out of this. So that is a poncho there, and those are the fringe. Well, I don't think you would call that fringe, but those are the edges there, so you can see that there. This one has a retail value of $30, so that is super cool. If I put that on, I'll be too hot. But this says here, it says wear this over your head in the traditional style and turn things upside down by gathering it up. And styling it in a fashionable neck scarf. Classic plaid is always fashionable and easily enhances any ensemble. So this is $30. So that's cool. And then next to last item. Next to last item is from Katy Perry. This is cool. This is from CoverGirl. So that's a Katy Perry lipstick, and this has a retail value of, this is $10. So this is, you could have either gotten it in tan or pink. So I have a Sphinx. Maybe I was looking at the wrong thing. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. So this is what you could have gotten in black, tan, or pink. Sorry about that. So I got it in tan. Katy Perry, obviously, this is in various colors. So this is $10. We will do a swatch because that seems to be a color that I would wear. If I can get it open. Okay, so let me see. And I already did a swatch, so it's not gonna be that one. It'll be the one on top, because I was actually doing another video. So it's right on top. So that's cool. I don't wear dark colors, so this is perfect. So I will definitely get use out of that from Katy Perry, and I have never tried any of her products, so that's really cool. So you can see that there, it says Katy Perry. So thanks, guys. All right, and then last but not least, we have leggings. Now, I'm a girl that I can never get enough of leggings, so I will definitely appreciate this. So this, you know what leggings looks like. So this is that. So we have leggings, and then the leggings cost, they're black fleece lined comfy leggings. These are $20. You guys, this is like perfect for me because I work from home, so I don't need to get all fancy and dressed up. This is my stilo here. So the retail value, thankfully, Luxury Divas did that for us. The retail value of everything was $121. So you guys now can see everything that was in the box. So let us do a recap just so that we can look together. So of course we did get the hats. We got our poncho because I'm like a super, maybe they heard my video saying I'm always cold. I'm always cold. So we have a poncho, we have our leggings, we have that. And then we have our Katy Perry lipstick. So we do have that. We have our tan faux cuff wristlet. So that's cool because you can just totally throw your stuff in there and just keep it moving. And then we have our, what is this? The teardrop silver plated earrings. We do have that. And did I miss anything? And then the hat. So we have 6 different items for the price of $30. So what did you guys think of this month's Luxury Divas box? Did you guys dig it? Did you guys dig it? Obviously I'm digging the hat. I love the hat. That's one of my favorite items in this box. So what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. And just a heads up, guys, make sure that you're subscribed and you're following me on Instagram, because in 2020 we are going to start doing subscription giveaways, because it's been a year now that I've done subscription boxes. So I'm sure as the new year comes along, I'm going to start getting duplicates. So make sure that you like and subscribe. And again, if you want that $5 off coupon, it will be in the comment section below, or if you're on my blog, it's going to be on the blog as well, so you guys can take a look and give this a try. If you want to get that one-time box, it still does save you that $5 regardless, so you'll still be paying $30. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.